Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make an amazing potatoes and cheese recipe. For that we need to start with cutting down the onion, and hence let's have the potatoes already cooked and boiled, let's say, and all we need to do now is to cut down into pieces the chicken breast, the chicken meat into small pieces. Let me remind that the chicken is also already boiled. So whenever done, let's cook that with the onion. Mix a little bit properly, add a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of red pepper, and black pepper to the taste. And let's add some tomato sauce to this mixture. Mix it properly. And whenever done, we'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Let's add a little bit of melted butter to the potatoes and squeeze them. And whenever done, add a little bit of salt to this mixture. And when the job with the potatoes is done, all we need to do is have them put it in the bottom of the plate, let's say, or anything that you're going to cook it in. And let's add the chicken mixture to the top of it. Whenever done, we are going to cover it with another portion of potatoes, crushed potatoes, and cover it with the cheese, which is going to be absolutely tasty when cooked. Here it is. You are ready to take it out, cut it down, and taste it. We hope you will like this very easy and interesting recipe, and you will share it with your friends. Good appetite!